Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to make kind of a really quick video for project completion. I showed this item a couple days ago in my new craft day video, and I actually really wanted to work it up and I wanted to show the completion. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I hope you like the show. So originally NewCraftDay reached out to me and sent me a couple items to review, and this was one of them. It's a hanging that you can do, which is diamond painting, and that's explains the little chain on it. And I was able to complete this project in less than a day, actually in less than a couple hours. It worked up really quickly, and it sets really well when you're placing the diamond. My apologies. And I had no difficulties at all. The diamonds may look really small, but if you pick them up and place them, it's really smooth, and I'm a big fan of that. I decided to use just the standard kit that came with it, which was the pen, the tray, and the wax. And I had no issues at all with the wax or anything picking up the diamonds. The only thing I did change, oh, excuse me, sorry about that. I did change was for the larger diamonds, as you can see here with this crystal one and these pearl looking ones. I wanted to be a little bit more exact, so I actually used tweezers to pick them up and place them, just to line them up perfectly at the setting they're supposed to be. That's just me. I mean, I'm sure if I picked it up with the pen and placed it, it would have been fine. But I wanted it to be a little more exact because the numbers that you place them on, you have a white backing. So I wanted to make sure that when I placed them, you wouldn't catch the little backing that was still on the platform. So that's why I used the tweezers for that. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, my allergies are real bad today. Sorry about that. And yeah, I just love how it came out. And the shine, as you can probably see under my light, you can see they're all rhinestones, so you can see the crystalline light shining off of it. The same thing with the little pearls that are here on the side, even here, the gold ones that are in the flowers as well. It's so pretty. I just love how it shined. I actually hung it up by my window, but unfortunately there's no sun today, so that's why I didn't record through there. And I wanted to show more, so that's why it's under my light right now. And yeah, the chain is really sturdy, and I was kind of worried because I completed the painting before I started hooking up the chain. So just out of precaution, when I was putting the chain, I did it backwards. As you can see, the back of the platform doesn't have any diamonds. It's just the solid backing, so you can see what the image looks like. There's actually a plastic cover on it, but I didn't remove it yet. I kind of forgot to. And I was kind of worried I might scratch it up a bit, but I'll eventually take it off once I've already decided where I'm going to place it to hang. And so when I hooked up the hooks, I actually did it back here, because I was so worried I might accidentally scrape the diamond, which I kind of did with this one, but none of the diamonds scraped off, so they're really well placed. So I'm really grateful for that, because I was so worried I was going to mess it up. So once I already hooked them up, I made sure to make sure the hook was in the back, so when it's hanging straightly perfect. So yeah, that really surprised me when I hooked it up, and everything stayed perfectly fine. The way I placed it is the way they stayed, and I am really happy about this product. The only thing I do wish is I wish there was a little bit more rhinestone on this white section. It's supposed to be kind of like a stained glass kind of looking pattern. Myself, I would have appreciated it, I guess, a little bit more if there were just little placements of just random rhinestone just to show off more of the window pattern in the back. But I am still really pleased with the design, because I know a majority of the rhinestones are in the dragonfly wings and in the flowers, so I kind of understand why it would make sense not to put so many, because then it can look real busy and you wouldn't be able to see the distinctive colors of all the different diamonds that are placed on here. But other than that, I am so happy with this. I cannot wait to hang it. Then I'm actually looking on moving forward on purchasing a couple more, because they do have the same product still has different kind of designs, and there's a couple butterfly ones I kind of want, just so I can have them, probably have them hanging all over my house. They're just so pretty, and as I said, they do catch the light really well, and you can see the shine when I'm moving it a bit. So I cannot wait till I actually have sun outside so I can see what it looks like in the sunlight. So I honestly just wanted to show this, and that's why I said it's going to be a quick video. I just really wanted to show this product. And again, I really thank NewCraftDay for sending this to me, because I was more than happy to review it, and I was super excited to complete it. So I'm just really happy with the product. And I'll put links down below of, again, the information about NewCraftDay and about the product itself, if maybe you might be interested in this one specifically, or to see what other designs they might have. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I'll ask if you can do the usual. If you can like, subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.